Hey guys, how's it going? Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're talking about how to install the Captiva icon theme. So I'm using this on Ubuntu, so I'm going to be doing it the Ubuntu way, but if you want to do it in a different way, please check out the description. So to start off, we need to go to the downloads folder, the desktop folder, and then we need to grab the latest package. Now, the reason that we're not using a PPA is just because Captiva hasn't been updated for 1804. It's kind of an in-progress icon theme. I like it. It's got some missing things here and there, and it might not look perfect, but it's definitely a good looking theme in my opinion. So just let it go through and let it download, and then from there you can just do sudo dpkg-i Captiva, enter your password, and it's installed. And then you can go to icons, go over here, look for the Captiva option, click apply, and then we are using Captiva. So as you can see, some of the icons have been updated, some of them are using the Captiva theme, and some of them aren't, unfortunately. It's a work in progress, but I think it's pretty cool. Definitely want to check out and watch. Anyways guys, I will see you in the next video. This was just how to install the Captiva icon theme on Linux, and once again, I'll see you in the next video. So